Young Macdonald excitedly tells his sister about the zoo. His sister jumps with joy at the news. They prepare their backpacks for the trip. Their parents give them final instructions. They arrive at the colorful zoo entrance. Macdonald buys tickets for them. They receive a zoo map and instructions. They enter the zoo, holding hands. They approach the farm animals area. A friendly pig approaches them. Macdonald gently pets the pig's head. His sister joins in, giggling. They move to a fluffy sheep nearby. A squirrel scampers up to them. A raccoon cautiously approaches from a corner. They pet all four animals together. They enter the exotic animals area. A handler brings out a trained eagle. They carefully stroke the eagle's wings. A friendly giraffe lowers its head. They feed and pet a baby elephant. A deer approaches for treats. A trained bear performs a gentle high five. They observe a lion cub from close range. A tiger cub playfully paws at them. They're surrounded by all the exotic animals. The siblings marvel at the tiger and lion. They feed the giraffe together. They thank the zookeepers for the experience. They wave goodbye to their animal friends. Macdonald buys his sister a stuffed animal. They jump for joy outside the zoo. They look at photos they took today. They walk home, sharing their favorite moments.